were discussing birthday parties and kids, because I think Rick Crosslin would be the best kid's birthday party person, but of course, you know, they behave a little differently at parties.
Just a little bit.
But your experiments are so fun, so educational and cool that, I mean, I learn a lot, but I imagine kids are just in total awe of you.
Well, I go to all the Wayne Township schools, and this is something I've been working with 5th grade and 3rd grade on matter and changes of states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. So I brought something that you can get at the grocery store.
Yep.
It's dry ice. It was actually discovered in 1835 by a French scientist, Adrien Thilorier. And it was a patent for making dry ice was in 1925 by American Thomas Blake. Now, dry ice is a great refrigerant. People will use it for refrigeration. They use it for cleaning. They use it. I love it because you probably every day, I'm a carbonated drink person. And when you have a carbonated drink, that's actually CO2, because dry ice is carbon dioxide. It's what plants need. It's what we breathe out. So those bubbles are in solution. As a matter of fact, here's some regular apple juice, and it does not have any carbonation in it, but the taste will definitely change if we add a little bit of carbonation and CO2 in it. It'll start to bubble up there. I'll put a little more in there. Now, I touched that with my hand. It is 109 degrees below zero. And I usually wear gloves. That was a very quick transfer. So now we're getting carbon dioxide in there. And would you like to be? I've never tried this. You want to try it?
Are you trying to kill me?
No. But, plants love carbon dioxide because they need to survive it, and they give off oxygen. We give off carbon dioxide. Just take a little sip. It should not kill you. For 2 days at least.
I can't tell if you're being serious.
I'll do it. No, it's fine. Very good. Now, I wouldn't do that with children, but
I'm too dumb for this segment.
No, you're not. This is your life. This stuff is everywhere. So this is so cold. Now, I don't want to freak you out, but feel this foam right here with your hand. It feels like room temperature, right? Now feel this spoon.
That's a little cooler.
It's cooler.
Yeah.
How could that be? How could we have a mini refrigerator in here? They're both the same temperature. You can try this at home. Touch a desk, touch a couch, touch something metal. Metal is a good conductor. It pulls the heat away. But most people have a hard time thinking that this is a different temperature. But take one of these. There's a block of dry ice. Go ahead, pick one up there.
Okay.
And let's.
Oh, gosh.
Yes, that's it.
That's cool.
These are the screaming. It's actually
creepy.
It is kind of fun and creepy. It's boiling right there. This is so hot compared to 109. That's kind of rude. But it's taking all that heat, and if you think maybe you can get a coin, get one of those coins right there.
This is fun, you guys.
Maybe
like
do
a
this,
kid.
and it starts to. Maybe we can get that to.
What?
Because that temperature is going through that really quick.
That got really cold on my hand.
Really quick, because it's a good conductor. And so here we have some soapy, and we'll put these in here, and this is where it gets to be fun. You can help me do some of this.
I'll do it with my gloves.
Do it with your
Safety
gloves.
first.
There you go. And I'll use a spoon. And what you're seeing here is a bubble tower. This is just water with some dry ice. This is definitely a fun thing to do.
Very fun.
Those are bubbles. You notice where those bubbles are going? They're not going up. Kayla, which way? Where are they going?
Down.
Down, because there's no wrong answers here.
I second guess everything I say.
They're going down because they're filled with cold air. And if it's cold air, like you probably never want to go on a hot air balloon ride's good, but a cold air balloon ride would not be good. So let's see if we can have some more fun here. Let's put some of this dry ice inside of this container here. And now you're starting to see that white you see is not carbon dioxide. The white you see is the water vapor coming up.
Oh.
Just like when you kind of breathe onto something. So I made this little contraption here this morning. So now we're getting the carbon dioxide coming out of the bottom here. And here, come over here and help me with this guy.
Okay.
Put it down in there.
Inside the water?
In the soapy water.
Ooh. Bubbles.
Now lift it up slowly. Let's see what lift it up slowly and see.
Oh my gosh.
There is a nice
That is so cool.
carbon dioxide.
I'm being told to rap, but I kind of want to not do that.
Yeah, we haven't
Can
got
we
through.
just be here just forever?
Let's see if we can make one giant. Hold that right there for me. Let's see if we can make. There's a lot to do with carbon dioxide. It's fun.
Cool.
It's fun. If you try this at home, make sure you do keep safe. Let's see if I can do this here. Let's see if I can get this across here. Make one giant bubble. Maybe it'll work.
Am I messing this up? What should I be doing?
I don't know. I always try different things.
I think so. I think you should probably leave.
Yeah, there we go. Maybe we get this going.
I'm sorry, Peter.
Does Peter want to be finished?
I think he does, but you know.
Yeah, we got. So this is carbon dioxide. You can have fun with it at home. It's safe. It does expand, and that's what you see it doing here. It expands a lot.
So cool. Thank you, Rick.
Yep, 109 degrees below zero.
This is the most fun I've had in a while, Amber.
It's just so much fun.